In today's video, I will teach you how to create a wobbly text in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and on the upper right side of the screen, click on the Create a Design button and choose the size of your choice. Here, you have the option to make a video presentation, video collage, infographic, and many more. And you can also see the resolution of each canvas by hovering your cursor over the options. But you can also customize your own canvas by clicking on the Custom Size option. Here, just input the width and the height of your preference. Now, in the Text tab, select any text style among the options and customize the text to your preference. You can also change the text font, size, color, style, alignment, and spacing on the top bar. Once you're satisfied with your text, you can now go ahead and save the image to your computer, but make sure to save it with a transparent background and set the file format to PNG. Now, delete the text on your canvas and re-upload the saved text to your canvas. Now, on the top panel, select the edit image and in the search bar, type in Liquify. Here, you have the option to adjust the amount as well as the wobble size of your text. And once you're satisfied, you can now save it to your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.